Hey, this is Lee and welcome to Hyperspeed 3D Printing. Today I'm going to show you a 4-color print done on a single nozzle. Every single colour is a separate STL file. I redesigned this in Tinkercad, got the stencil shape from Thingiverse, which is the free downloads. So I took the original, took it into Tinkercad, designed it, reshaped it, added the colours. There was no colours, it was just the black outline, which all you get is that's all you get. So I went one step further. I added the yellow, the white and the brown to end up with a 4-color multi-print with one nozzle. Doing the STL trick, you do one STL colour, and then the second STL colour, and then a black STL colour, and then I created it into a cup mat, which is the 4th colour, and I did over the top, and I used them all as a cut object, turning a solid to a cut object in Tinkercad, which is free. And then we end up with Homer Simpson. And now each one of these, even the yellow, is a separate STL. So what I did was I imported the black from Tinkercad, put the colours across, and I had to slowly work my way all the way around the edge to delete the tiny little pieces what didn't be needed. So that I turned that into an STL. Did the same thing with the eyes and covered over most of it, and whatever that was left I had to delete very small circles to delete the rest, so I'd end up with a white. And then duplicated all these two, joined them together and created as one solid piece, and then I cut it into the use it a cut file and cut it into the square, which gives me the 4th STL file for this piece. And then I lined them all up into Repetier host, which I use. Turned out quite nicely. This is not actually a brown, it's like a goldy colour, which is perfect for Homer's face. This is just generic white, and a generic black, and a generic yellow. Turned out quite well. Did it around about 4mm high. This is 100 centimeters square. I also did another version, which is a 3-color print with a different colour bottom, and we did a Captain America shield. When I imported it into Repetier holes, the blue and the white star did not line up properly, so I had to slowly adjust it myself into Repetier holes, like dragging it into place so it looked okay. The red filament what I was using is that brittle and that old. It needs a filament dryer and I ain't got that type of stuff, so it was snapping on me, so I did a quick filament change and I did a blue on the back. So we end up with 2 layers on that way and 3 colours on the front. Didn't realise I had some white PLA left, so I used my clear one, clear PLA, so that's a nice round cut mat. I did the same thing with that. Imported an object from Tinkercad. Actually, I didn't. No, I didn't do it. That's freehand. Did it all with circles and a star, all in Tinkercad. Because the star's not quite straight like the Captain America one, but it still looks like a Captain America one. Just designed it myself. Copied the picture. For that one, that's good. That one. Still like my Simpsons. So if you're enjoying these YouTube videos, I have set up a competition. Once my channel hits 1,000 followers on my YouTube channel, you can got a good chance of winning PlayStation controller holder, which glows in the dark when you've got a blue screen on your TV or a blue light. It'll glow green, so it's a pretty good object, that one. So I suggest that you could head over to my YouTube channel. The link's in the bios here on Instagram. And all you got to do is click on that red subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Don't forget to like my videos and leave a comment below on any video, and I'll choose one person at random to win the PlayStation controller. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for some more upcoming designs with one colour nozzle.